so here's a question that says, write p of x as a product of two factors using x minus 3 as a factor, and p of x equals x cubed minus 2x squared minus 20x plus 51. So this is your thing that you're going to take and put in our little box. Remember, we're using synthetic division. So let me just draw that out better. But we use the opposite number. Remember, opposite. Or you could say opuesto. Oops, sorry. Opuesto. So that would be, is a negative 3 and minus 3. So opposite is positive 3. So I'm going to put positive 3 in there. Okay? And then, remember, you look at the highest. So x3, we start, so it'll be x3, count backward, x2, x1, x0. Okay, x3, the number in front of x3 is an invisible 1, so we put 1 here. x2 is negative 2, you put negative 2 there. x1, this is x1, so you put negative 20 there. x0 is the plain number. Our plain number is 51. Make sure a sign comes down. If you don't bring the sign down, you might screw up, okay? And so remember, this first number comes down, always comes down. So you bring down the 1 and multiply it to the 3. So remember, la baja de la línea, you multiply to the box. So 3. So 1 times 3 is 3, and you put your answer right here above the line. And then now you do the same thing, resta or suma. Negative 2 plus 3, which is positive 1. And then you take this number and multiply it to this box. So 1 times 3 is 3, and you put your answer in the next column. So that's where it goes. And now you do resta or suma based on the sign. So negative 20 plus 3. These are positive. So when you do that, that is negative 17. And then you take negative 17 times 3. That is negative 51. I used the calculator earlier. That's how I knew. And then 51 minus 51 is 0. And remember, this is your remainder. So you're going to use this for the remainder factor term. But right now, so you write your answer. Remember, it goes down 1. So this is in the x3 column. So the 1x3 column. But you would go down 1. So it'll be x2 minus 1. And this is 1. So plus 1. It's in the x2 column. You go down 1. It becomes x1 or just x. And then this minus 17 comes down. And it's under the x1 column, so it becomes x0, which is plain number, and that's it. So now we write this, and really you do not need the ones in front. So this really is just x squared plus x minus 17, right? So that is one of your factors, and then you just put this guy right next to it. And that is the two products, okay? Hopefully this helps you in solving the problem coming up.